welcome back to my channel, Eye Candie. If you're new here, my name is Teresa, and on my channel, I love to explore all the eye candy that makes my eyes light up and my heart sing. So if that's your type of eye candy, hit that like button below and don't forget to subscribe. Help your girl out. I'm trying to grow my channel here. I really want to continue to share my finds and express my love for the eye candy that I find and hear your thoughts about it as well. So help me out, hit that like button below and don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to share with you some new eye candy. It is all the rage, very popular bag. I instantly knew this bag would be very popular. I knew Instagrammers and YouTubers were going to flock to this bag. I absolutely love it. And it has been a hard to get bag. I was fortunate, I think, in being able to get this bag. So I am not going to do the unboxing, and I'm going to actually just set a clip here of my unboxing. I put this reveal to be revealed on Instagram, but I did shoot my unboxing and I was really sad, and I wasn't impressed at all with the way I received it. It didn't come with a dust bag, so I'm disappointed there. And so it just came all wrapped up, and you'll see it. You'll see here on the video that I should be showing right now that it just came wrapped up very well. I mean, it was protected. It came in mint condition. It wasn't pre-used, or it didn't appear to be pre-owned or previously sold or returned or anything like that. But I was definitely disappointed. Anytime I bought anything from Coach, it came with everything that it needed to. It was boxed or bagged appropriately, and so I didn't get that this time. So I sort of I was disheartened by that. But all the same, this bag, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. The color I got is just perfect for spring, summer. The Coach Pillow Tabby, absolutely love it. So I'm just one who will wear cream all year round, white as well. So I'm not, that whole Labor Day fashion thing doesn't sit with me well, or I just overlook that because I wear what I want when I want. So I just love it. Absolutely, just beautiful. It's a cream. It's not it's not a Snow White, but it'll go so well with Snow White. It goes great with camel, so I'm thinking of fall as well. I'm telling you, and camel goes well all year round as well. You just gotta know how to coordinate those colors. But look at this. It is so supple. It comes with the pillow tab. It's just so smooth and soft. Oh my gosh. And they call it pillow correctly. It is just pillowy all the way through. And even this top here, it's a little heavy on the front, so it will fall over because of the CC here. So it's a little, I guess you could say, top heavy. But absolutely love it. Doesn't have a pocket on the back and everything, and it's just seamless. It comes with the gold hardware and the trim here. This is actually darkened, so it adds a little nice contrast to the bag. Only on the strap though, and the tab here, only there, and just a little bit here on the handle. But it's, look at that. Oh man, it is so gorgeous, you guys. Absolutely. I know they have the mini version that they have out now, but I know I'm not that much of a minimalist. Hold on just a moment there. Someone's at my front door. Perfect timing. It's probably a delivery. Let's see. I'll be back. So it wasn't even for me. Isn't that awful? But anywho, so I'm back. But again, absolutely love the Pillow Tabby. This is it's like an off-white cream color. I don't even know what color they call it. Let me look it up for us. It is actually officially called the Tabby Shoulder Bag 26. This is called the Brass and Chalk color. So this, instead of gold hardware, is actually brass. And it's Got the trim here in the C that's absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love the fact that they started to use the C on their handbags and other accessories this way. I absolutely love it. I have a Coach belt with this C on it, and it's all brass or gold. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite belts, but I absolutely love it. It has this chalk look. It says it's chalk, but it just, you know, chalk is usually whiter, so I'm not sure where they got that from, but you know, it sort of matches my sweater here and my cardigan, and I absolutely know and see me rocking these together. Absolutely. Oh, it's perfect. Absolutely gorgeous. So let me get to this stuff. I'm just stop gushing over it. It is beautiful. I will have this bag for a while. I don't know. It is not too white, so I'm not worried about it. I think I'd be able to easily, you know, wipe it off and clean it and restore it. It is a very soft leather, so it probably will get scuffed and what you have, especially on the corner wear. So you'll need to be careful with that. But I absolutely love it. It has the, I've left my protector there, but it has the magnetic close, and it's a good close, firm close. It opens up and it has the Coach inside on the gold tab here. Whoa. Oh, there's my dust bag. I'm sorry, Coach. I was so upset. I was like, I didn't get a dust bag. But as you can see, I'm just now going through the bag with you guys. So I saved it for you guys. And then I got egg on my face because I didn't check my bag inside. So there it is. There it is. So it comes fully stuffed and has the zipper, 2 inside pockets, interior pockets there, a zipper pocket here, and just the instructions and care instructions inside, and another pocket here. No more pockets or anything. So but it is perfect size. I can see a long wallet going in here as well. Just, it's very spacious. I can tell you, it will carry and handle all of my belongings without any problem. So you guys let me know if you'd like me to do a review, show you what fits in the bag based off what you carry, and just give you an overall basic review on how I like it thus far. I'm definitely going to be wearing it and rocking it as much as possible. You know, things are starting to, you know, get a little busy outside, so I'll see about how I can wear this. And if you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, you should. But if you're on Instagram, I'll definitely put some pictures up and show you some different ways in which I may accessorize or style the bag. So don't forget my Instagram. I am putting it up somewhere for you to see, and that is my tag, so check me out on Instagram as well. Don't forget to like me and subscribe as well, or follow on Instagram. So that is my new bag, you guys. So let me know if you have one. How is it working for you? Have you found some things, some flaws or some issues with the bag? Share and show the love. Let me know. Let me know what you say. Comment down below if you got one. Let me know. If you don't, you know, ask me some questions. I love to be able to help you out in deciding if you want to purchase the bag. So I absolutely love it so far, and I can't wait to wear it. So that does it, you guys. So if you like this video, hit the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so the next time I post a video, you will be notified. Until next time, bye.